आदाब। हीरा मंडी में आपका स्वागत है। पेश किया जाए, हम नोश फरमाएंगे, ख्याल रहे और खौफ। वेल, वेलकम टू हीरा मंडी, संजय लीला भंसाली's OTT debut. Mixed feedback about the thing in terms of my response to it. First and foremost, let's put it out in the open. There is a very clear disclaimer. It is a work of fiction, so one should avoid trying to compare historical facts. Whatever is there is Sanjay Leela Bhansali's creative liberty and creative freedom. So we go with that. Moving on. In terms of eight episodes, 1 hour each, the performance by Aditi Rao Hydari is mesmerizing, brilliant. As always, like she was in Taj and the other shows that she does, effortless, brilliant to watch. Richa Chadda in her scope, excellent. Means one dies to see her on screen. Manisha Koirala, brilliant. Although she does seem to have a Meena Kumari hangover in her voiceovers, but excellent. It's so nice to see her team up with Bhansali after a long time. But the star of the show, according to me, is definitely Sonakshi Sinha. She is super brilliant. Every time we've noticed that, okay, if given an opportunity, Sonakshi genuinely khul ke kaam karti hai, dil se. And this is one of those performances. She will be always remembered for her performance as courtesan in Hira Mandi, without giving away spoilers. Adhyayam and Suman is very good. Shekha Suman is excellent. Nisar is decent. Nisar Ahmed. Fardeen Khan, after a long time seeing his comeback, brilliant again. Now, it's a Sanjay Leela Bhansali thing, so even a small thing will be glamorized and made 10 times look better. So go with that. Expect the opulent sets, the lovely shararas, ghagras, lehengas, the arty work done behind the walls on the production value, brilliant to the core. So you get lost in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's world. Ustad Ji is the second scene stealer in the film, web series. Malik is so good in his role. You will love him, you will hate him, but in the end, you will always remember Ustad Ji. Now, coming to the liability of the show, the nepotism factor, the Nepo kid is Bera Sehgal's daughter, Sanjay Leela Bhansali's niece, playing the role of Alam Zeb. Out of 8 episodes, 4 are dedicated to her, and that's where the web series dies. She has only one expression. So even when she's opposite Taha Shah, who's another revelation again after playing Murad in Taj, he's done a brilliant job as Tajdar again out here. Well, he's let down by this lady with one expression. If she's happy, she has one expression. If she's sad, she has one expression. If she's angry, she has one expression. So had Sanjay Leela Bhansali not fallen for this nepo drama and given a talented person like Vamika Gabi, for example, the role, killer tha ye. But that's where you feel let down. The two ladies playing Satto Fatto are brilliant again. So overall, watch Hira Mandi for the sheer pleasure of watching a Bhansali production. Don't go into the fact that historically Lucknow होना चाहिए था, Lahore होना चाहिए था, Urdu यहाँ की होनी चाहिए थी, music ये था कि नहीं था, outfits are not matching. It's a period drama which Bhansali has made out of his love and passion for the thing. Go watch that, you'll come back happy. I'm going with a 3 out of 5. It has the Y factor for the opulence of Bhansali, but I would definitely say the only reason I'm not giving it a 4 because of which it deserves because of Sonakshi is because of this nepo drama and that idiot whom they've hired, who's a waste, a bane to the entire show.